Hello. Okay, we're so excited. In our last video, we did the unboxing of our candle making kit, which I researched and to me was the most complete kit for the best price. Now we're so excited because we want to make a candle. So we've never made candles in our life. This will be our first time. So here we go. Join us. Okay, so I am not one to sit and read a bunch of instructions, so it seems pretty simple and pretty basic. We've got 2 pounds of organic soy candle wax, and I feel like I want to do individual batches because I want each candle to smell different. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fill up one of these little tins. Oh boy. I hope I'm not making a mistake. And I'm gonna put this in the double broiler pot. I got a little pot to melt my wax. And I figure if I stick this much wax in it, then when I melt it, it should be about the same amount to pour in, right? Right? Am I right? I don't know. We'll see. We'll try it. It's so fun. Okay. So I'm going to put it in my little pot here, which my water's already boiling. Sky will talk to you if I've gone out of the frame. And
hi. Oh my gosh, the light.
All right, so we're just going to wait till this melts. It's already melting pretty quickly.
Lavender.
We have, you guys are on a tripod.
Sticks.
Otherwise I'd move it closer, but it's just a pot of melting wax. Yeah.
Oh,
so
the light.
You can show them closely. Those are the wicks. In my last video, I called everything wax. Those are wicks. Okay. So we've got stirring sticks.
Where are those?
Here they are. So I've been wanting to make candles because I love candles. I burn so many candles and I spend a lot of money on candles. So I decided I just wanted to try this. And, you know, I'm always looking for a new business. I actually have a new business in the works that I don't want to spill the beans yet. But for the last 7 to 10 years, I've been in the party industry, mainly doing kids' parties. I do a lot of balloon twisting, face painting, balloon decor. And it kind of has taken a toll on my body from, you know, the long hours doing it. And I have like a degenerative condition in my shoulder. I have a torn ligament and I kind of need surgery. So I'm taking a break from that business. Of course, with COVID, it's been a forced break. So I'm just looking at other things to do. And perhaps we'll be candle makers. All right, this is actually almost completely melted. Let's pull out our thermometer. And they say, I think it's to 112 degrees you want it cooled down to before you put your fragrance in, because if you put your fragrance in when the wax is too hot, then it will burn the fragrance off. And I like a fragrant candle. I don't know about you. Yes, 122 degrees Fahrenheit is the hottest it can be. So, here's our handy dandy thermometer. Oh, my daughter just turned the TV on over there. Here's Jenna, my daughter.
Hi.
Oh boy, okay, it says on. It's 23.1 degrees Celsius right now. Is that right? Yeah, okay. Now let's put it in the boiling water and see what it goes up to.
I think it's a candy thermometer.
Oh, okay, so it's all melted. I'm going to turn this off. Wait, do I need to pull this stop? Whoa. 23, it's still the same. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Celsius. 89. Oh no, I feel like I'm melting my candle. 103.
Wow, it's got a fever.
113. Okay, well, we're gonna pull this out still a little bit hot. So we're gonna let it cool down for a little minute, and Sky will sing a song for you. Oh, that's right.
I'm sorry. My middle name's Sky. My name is Jenna.
Oh, there we go.
They call me Sky because I have blue eyes.
That's right. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. While we wait for that to cool, we are going to. Oh, we were supposed to put these in first. Oh my God, good thing it was too hot. Okay. Yes. So we need a wick, and they got little stickers that we put on the bottom of this wick. Sorry if this video is really long. You guys can fast forward it.
Or we can edit it.
Okay.
We can edit it.
Is this double-sided? Yes, it is. Okay, so we're gonna push this sticker in. Then we're gonna stick it in a tin right in the center. Can you turn that down?
Karate Kid.
She's watching Karate Kid. Are you guys into that new show? The new Karate Kid? It's pretty
Cobra
intense.
Kai.
Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai. And then these little things are gonna hold your wick in place. Wow, see? It holds the wick in place. And then we can pour the stuff in. What smell should we make ours?
Sandalwood. What even is
There's
sandalwood?
lavender, sandalwood, sage, and sweet orange.
Not sage. Sandalwood. I'm good with. What even is sandalwood though? What does it smell like? Can I
Smells
smell
good. You
it?
want to smell it?
I want to smell all of it.
This really gets in your nose. There's sage.
Sage, it's not bad.
It smells like White Mountain sage, honestly.
Oh, I
have
hate
you ever
sage.
picked a fresh piece of mountain sage?
We have that.
And then we have sweet orange. Let's do sweet orange because that's, it's
Really?
just a super universal scent. We'll do the first candle in sweet orange.
Okay, so like in case we mess it
Okay.
up. I think my favorite was sandalwood.
Sandalwood, yeah. Okay, let's see.
Hey, Allie, which internet's been affecting your business?
Well, recently I've been seeing most of my patients online.
Can you bring me that little piece of paper? I just want to see. In... Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, 45 to 50 degrees. 45, 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, it's still a little bit hot. It's still a little bit too hot.
Oh no.
So I guess that's something that, time-wise, just to think about. It does need a little bit of time to cool. And I don't know. It feels fun. It feels like I could do this all day. You know what we should do with all the wicks? We should use some of our mason jars
Oh yeah.
and make a mason jar candle. Do you guys like making candles? Leave a comment. Press that like button. The like button likes to be liked. It loves turning blue, right?
Yeah, sure.
All right, okay. We'll probably cut some of this out when we edit it. Yeah. Are you ready?
Can't get this out. Oh frick, that was horrible. Wish I could do some of my stuff here, but like, you wouldn't see me, so.
The The one thing I don't know is if when you first stick it in, what the temperature reads, if that's the temperature, or if you have to, if you leave it in for a few minutes, if it just keeps rising. So when I first put it in, it's like 48. But then it kind of goes up the longer I leave it in. So, you know what? I think it's fine now. All right. Let's put some essential oil in. And
Can I smell it?
sweet orange. If I know anything about me, I will probably put a lot of essential oil in. Because
Yeah,
I like my
it's
candles to smell really good.
Like to smell fresh. It's like you have to go and smell.
Okay, that was about a quarter of the bottle. I think that's good. But I might need more. You never know. And they say to stir it for a minute.
Weird.
Kind of a long time. We're so far away.
I know. No one could just bring it out. This thing. It smells good.
Smells like wax. I think we should put a little more fragrance in. I bet real candle makers are like, ah, there's a science to making candles.
Wax doesn't smell like anything.
We're just having fun. But who knows? One day we might be the best candle makers in town. Oh, that's smelling pretty good. Kind of smells like butter, like melted butter with orange peels. What a delight. Should we put a tiny bit of another fragrance, like maybe a tiny bit of sandalwood? Ooh, that might be good. Let's try it.
Just a tiny bit because we need the sandalwood for a big candle that we really want.
I think that's gonna be awesome. Hey,
It's butter.
why isn't it coming out?
I wonder.
Oh yeah, I got some drops. All right.
Weird.
Okay, here we go. Our first candle we've ever made. Woohoo. Well, I mean, I think I've made a candle before. Somewhere in my history. I actually hope this is enough wax. I think we're gonna give this as a gift to someone.
What? Oh. This is our homemade bread.
Oh yeah. Make a video about that sometime. Perfect.
And our salt. What's in here?
Sweet. Okay, now all we have to do is let it harden and cut the wick, and that's it. I hope you had fun making a candle with us, and I hope you guys make some candles. And this kit I will link below. It was the best kit I found on Amazon that had, it was the most complete kit, let's put it that way. I liked it. Okay, bye.